in like 20 seconds. Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, can you hear me now? Okay, how about now? Yay. Okay, is the volume okay? Thank you so much. I got it. Is My, can you hear me now? Oh, probably not. Are you subscribed? Oh, yes, you are. Okay, cool. So you should be able to see. There's no ad for you, right? Yeah. It was good. I had a late start. I slept a lot today. I was tired for some reason. How was your day? Did you get any more progress done on the app you were working on? I thought I said that. Would you get stuck on? What tech stack are you using to make it? Not worked with Firebase before. I like played with it a little bit, but no, I haven't like worked extensively with it before. What's the project again? I know I should remember this because you've told me. I just forgot and my mind is blanking. Hey Mika, do you see channel points on my like the little like purple circle to the bottom left of chat? That's right, your swim tracker. That's cool. Oh, okay. No worries. Okay, cool. I was just wondering because I like didn't know if they were working or not. So, okay. What are you working on tonight? Are you going to work on your app some more? Okay, and then now I need a script for here. This is where my audience goes. 2,000 more minutes. What's going on here? Oh, nice. There we go. Okay. Yeah. It's not too hard. I don't know that's numbered. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, I get you. Like I have to be in a certain mood to code. But like I don't get wired up from coding. I like have to be wired up to code. No, I wasn't up for Jordan's stream. He streamed really early and like sometimes I'm up that late, but I ended up going to sleep. So I'm hoping I can catch the next one. Did you get to watch it? Yeah. I mean, I get it though, because that's when he has to when he has the free time for it. So hopefully I'll get to. I did like one a couple streams where it was like until like 1 or 2 in the morning, and those actually did pretty well. Yeah, so HSL, and then now we're gonna do L to RGB. Okay, 2 hats. Um, I guess I could bring this over here because I'm chat GTPing right now. GPTing. Adjustment effects. Don't pick your because I tried to use a couple of different ones that were packages, but they would not work correctly for me. Like the last one I tried, instead of like this one is the one I'm building, so there's the rainbow here, and the last one that I tried, it would only have one color instead of the rainbow. So that is what I'm working on right now, just so you know. Because I also have a project that I'll be able to use this in again too, anyways. So I'll make it and then use it again later. I'll come back to this. And now we're going to import um, this is with Astro, and then I'm using Vue for the Astro Islands. I really like working with Vue though. So, come on. Have you ever worked with Vue before? I'm gonna do, let me put up all here. See if this is working real quick. All right, put the console. And then what we're gonna do is we are going to do fonts color is equal to, let's see, the hue is this, and then convert color, we do HSL to hex. Yeah, I like React, it's fun. HSL to hex, because that's just the hue. So we're gonna do HSL equals just for a second. It does not want to work tonight. For the SwimTrack app, then you're using, you said Firebase and Node and Webpack. Are you using, that's React for the front end? So we're gonna do here 100% and 3%. And we'll just do, you know what? Actually, here's what we'll do. X equals HSL to text, and we'll say Q 100%, 50%. Oh, but I said that it was a number, so we will do 150. Right? Is that right? There we go. All right. Oh, that'd be cool. I like working with Byte. You should do that. So let's see what gives me if it's perfect. And then let's just double check real quick that that does look right. Should be right. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Okay, so then now update color hue, and where is the update color hue? Let me see. Probably is going to be spring effects. I don't know. Is that a bad thing? Probably. I can't help what it's running at 30. Sorry. I'm lagging. I'm in a rental, so I don't have like I don't have my normal internet set up where I'm at right now. I've also got a lot of things running on the computer, so that would probably be part of it. Yeah, you know what? Let me do something. Let me go make sure that my I'm gonna put up ERB. Let me go make sure my Ethernet is connected because if it's not, that's the issue. I'm gonna Thanks for letting me know. I'm gonna put on the be right back sign and then I will be back in just a second. Yeah, I don't know. It might be laggy, but I can't do anything about it, unfortunately. I wonder if that's why. Interesting. Oh, that's cool. I didn't, I was working on a chat bot and I didn't think it was working, but it is working. That's pretty cool. Gonna go back to this. There we go. Awesome. Okay, so we want to make these refs instead. You didn't notice it lagging, Mika? Okay, that's good. I can't help it. I'm at a rental house, so I have to deal with what I have available. But I still wanted to stream anyways. Right, so now we're gonna say active color dot value is going to be um, it's weird because I just did a speed test since OX Malvi said that it was laggy, and yeah, my internet is not, the speed is not going, it's not going as high as it normally does, so that makes sense. But I can't do anything about it, unfortunately. Okay. Right, color rainbow. It's not gonna be null. It's not gonna be null. I'll put the input. It's not gonna be null. So we're good there. There needs to be no Kansas element. Two of them were sick yesterday, and they seem to be feeling better today, so that's good. but yeah, they both like projectile vomited last night, and well, my 4-year-old was sick all day, and then my 6-year-old decided to get sick like right before bed. She didn't decide, but she did get sick. But she's like I've had a bug in my house like once every 2 weeks for the past few months, so I cannot wait until it's done. Right, this is a number. This for now too. That might help. All right. Not my color picker. We're gonna say scoped and color picker relative. So we're good there. That's working. Hey, Code Block, how's it going? It's morning where you are, right? It's like 10:30. So then we're going to emit. We're gonna emit this. I guess define a mix. It's been a while since I've done this. Let me pull up my other project real quick because I need to emit that up. How's it going for you this morning? Something here for this. Nope, no emit there. No emit there. I'm gonna put your problem in. Okay, so next right here. Just put this here. Copy it. And notes. Interface emits is going to be emit that once. Excuse me. Visited India. Maybe one day though. I would love to. They're going good. I'm just trying to build a color picker right now and then move it into my SVG generator. But basically what I think you were here last time I streamed, so you probably heard this, but I want to be able to take an SVG and update its colors. But like if it has multiple colors, the different colors should keep the same ratio based on the new color selected. So I last time was fighting trying to get a color picker to work, so I decided to just build one instead. And then that way I can customize it to my liking. And then, that's what I'm doing. And I'm just trying to get it functional. And then I'll go back and like make it better later. Um, yeah, but that's what I'm doing. And things have been going okay. I had sick kids yesterday, so they weren't sick today, thank goodness. Okay, so now constant emit is define emits. But what I want to do is we want to emit, we want to uh, emit, do I want to set octave color maybe? If that's what we want. I forget. And then now we're going to go down here and we're going to do emit, set active color, and it's going to be hex. And then now on the SVG generator, we are going to do that active color equals, how did I do this? I can't remember how to do this right now. I think that's one thing. Like I jump around with frameworks a lot. So like when I've done this so many times before, but it's been a little while since I've had to emit in Vue. Because even though I've been using Vue with my Astro apps, I've not had to emit. I've been using them just more for reactivity. And so I just have to remember how to do this. Alright, so our input, alright, so now let's just do this. We're gonna search for input. There we go. Right here. Not that input. So set active color maybe. Something I have to do is the $sign. Because I mean, my last major tech stack that I worked on, like professionally, was Vue and Next, which I really enjoyed. But then I've been doing Astro just for more, like I did my portfolio in Astro, and then Astro's it's got SSR too. I like it because you can use. It's a lot faster to load than, for example, a Vue and Next app would be. Um, and so that's one of the reasons I like it. But then also, like, you can use different frameworks within Astro. So I'm using Vue and Astro right now, and I have a project that I haven't like I've kind of started on it. I have started on it, but I haven't gotten very far. But I'm gonna need Vue and React and Svelte. So I'll be able to use Astro to work with all three of those frameworks at once. And I haven't decided if I want to do it like in a mono repo and separate everything out, but I'm thinking not. But I don't have to use a mono repo in Astro if I don't want to get like all the different frameworks working together. So that's why. So that's input, that value. Okay, so where is this date input? That is over here. Let me see. Here's my date input, and that was in a, let's search for that. What stack do you like, CodeBlock? I feel like I asked you this before, but maybe not. Date changed, yeah. Okay. Okay. So there's that. This equals. I think that's what I do. We'll see. Oh wait, hold on. Equals handle updated color value. There we go. There. Oh, shit. Oh, whoops. My bad. Just read it. There we go. Awesome. So now that's the color. So what we want to do is yeah. Have you tried headless WordPress yet? I've been wanting to try headless WordPress, but I haven't. So I was asking. What is that? I'm pasting. No, what did you get out of here? Get out of here with that. Business PG. Okay, so that should show up somewhere. That is not showing up because, well, this is the input where this should be. Let's try this one more time. Business PG, refresh. Oh, okay. Oh, do. So when this shows up now, what we want to do is be able to pick a color. Now when that color is updated, we want to copy. Second. So when the color is updated, I need to copy the SVG that was in here. So we'll do, let's start with that. When the color is updated, and it's coming right here, then we want to in the SVG container, we want to do SVG container. Let's do this real quick. Let's do SVG container. We actually want this to be our ref. So we're gonna do SVG container, this ref. It's gonna div elements. No. And then I'm going to take this, where to go, SVG container equals this is going to be let's see. Let me do something else. Let me just corner all this out for a second. Because then I want to do ref SVG container. And then now, let's Chris, how's it going? It's not like you. What are you up to tonight, Chris? Why is that? Oh, because I didn't. That's okay, though. Okay, we've got it. Perfect. Nice, I'm getting hungry. I'm gonna have to go eat something at some point, too. Why is that not working? Because what? SVG container. Fuck you. Yeah, I totally understand CodeBlock. I worked on WordPress at my last full-time position, and I like the interface of WordPress itself, but like developing with it isn't very fun to me. Okay, so we do that, and now what we're gonna do is we're going to console log. Let's do this. SVG container. That value. SVG and 0. Let's see what that does. What's the word? What is a WordCamp, Chris? Is that something with WordPress? WordPress. Okay. Yeah. Do I need to reach? I don't have anything that's this. I'm feeling so like non-energetic today and tonight, like all day. What's this? And then if we update, okay, cool. Now we update, and then now sv3 container.value.append child. Let's do this. We're gonna say initial svg. It's right here. Let's see what happens there. That is not going to work. Okay, hold on. This is working. Right here. Right here. Is that because, okay, so we've got this. Let's do this. Like that, maybe? I don't know. So, okay, it is doing something. Maybe. This cloud. So now I'll do that. Oh, fill equals, okay, awesome, okay. The fill on the initial is 9. We're gonna end this here in about 9 minutes. We're gonna hit an hour, so I'm tired. And I am very low energy, so I'm not as fun as I am when I'm tired. So let me see something over here. And then I have the inner HTML. Child nodes. Okay, and then if I look at the clone, what's going on with the child nodes? There is no child nodes. Okay. Duplicate, but it didn't. Not a client that hasn't been happy yet, knock on wood. Thanks so much for your kind words. I appreciate it. But I just like okay, so okay. Let's see what happens now then. Let's see if that works. Would you freelancing code block, or do you have a full-time position? Oh. No? Oh, wait, hold on, I have it. Let's just do student maybe. Go, perfect. Woohoo! Yes, that makes me very happy. Okay. So now this. Now what we need to do is when we select it, we don't have to add some state management there. So now we want to get the area. And it was feature area. Which will show up. Color picker should show up. See if SVG starts. Let's see. What SVG components? Components. Innards prints. Students. Not much going. For now, the largest color. Oops. And then, great. Use that. Do I decide to build product? What do you mean? This one is just something that I wanted to do, but most of the time I'm doing stuff for like work. But lately, my active work right now is design based, so I've been just building different. I've started several projects. and there's one I'm going to work on that this is actually kind of a part of. But this one I started building because I wanted to update my badges in Twitch, and I wanted to be able to make like a rainbow of badges based on, so each badge would be a different color based on um, the person and like how long did they subscribe for or whatever action they took. And so I wanted to be able to do it uh, programmatically because otherwise I had to, there's a formula to use to basically keep the color ratios consistent no matter what the color is. So based on like the color yellow, if I choose a green, then the color will be, I can make it green with the same little, you can't really see it probably, but there's like a light yellow and a dark yellow. So having a green here, but with the same light green and dark green ratio as the yellow has. So there's a formula that you can use to figure that out. And uh, I want to be able to do it automatically via code because in Figma, which is where I design like my SVGs, unless if I just have to do like minimal updates to them, I'll use Figma. And it was very manual, so I wanted to be able to do this and get the SVGs and spit them back out. So that's how I decided to build this particular thing that I'm working on. It's for Twitch specifically, so I can use it in my Twitch streams, which has been really fun because like it like since I've started streaming, there's so many things that you can set up, and so it's a lot of fun to like be able to use your creativity in a different way. And so like a lot of my scenes are HTML and CSS, and um, I can make them animated, and it's just a different way. It's like you get to be a little bit artistic and show like your creativity in a way that you don't get to in other platforms. Okay, I forgot what I was looking at. So we said color to update is ref.stream. And then now what we're going to do is, where was this largest color? Largest color. And then text.inner text. I don't think we need this because X is this color button. Sample, we don't need the sample anymore. I don't need any of this. If largest color, we'll just do color to update dot value is this. Color to update dot value. Value equals this. And then color to update dot value. Return color to update. And then let's just make sure this is working. Let's be able to take that. Console.length color. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream now because I'm getting tired and I'm just like not my brain does not feel sharp tonight, but I'll probably be back on tomorrow. But for now, I'm just gonna head out, maybe work on this a little bit more, but also I might play some Final Fantasy because listening to this music makes me want to play it. But y'all have a good night. I'll switch over to ending stream, so I'll be here to chat for a couple more minutes. But I'm gonna go ahead and end now. Have a great night, you guys.